Do you ever wonder why you grew up but your cereal didn't?
Can you say that to the camera?
Yeah, it's on the box though. I'm just spitting hot marketing copy.
Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Alicia.
And I'm Christian.
And this is Eat the Pizza. Just kidding. Okay, so this is not Eat the Pizza.
No.
For those of you who don't know, I know this is Mind Over Munch. We actually have another channel, Eat the Pizza, that we haven't posted on in like a year, but this is Christian, my boyfriend. We used to do this channel together, was all pizza stuff, not healthy, just
And it was
pizza.
awesome.
It was so much fun. But when we decided to do this episode, I thought it would be more fun to do it the two of us together, Eat the Pizza style. So welcome to the channel, welcome to Mind Over Munch. I love cereal so much, I always have, and I've always shared that with the channel. Also, Instagram knows it. I have scrolled through Instagram and they tag me and they're like, healthy cereal, healthy cereal. And I have ordered some of the cereals. And let me tell you, they've been bad. I'm not gonna say which ones because that's not what I'm about. But they have been impossible to eat. And so actually Magic Spoon reached out to me and I told them I couldn't make a video because I hadn't tried Magic Spoon, but I had tried so many others that I was like, these cereals just aren't good.
You're like, I can't tell my audience.
I can't tell my audience to eat something good that's bad. And so they're like, well, just let us send it to you and you can see. And actually both of us couldn't believe
It's so good.
it's actually really good. So we decided we would create a video to share Magic Spoon because it's pretty cool and it's actually good. And this is from cereal lovers. And I wouldn't just say that to you because I already told them I'm not gonna tell you to eat something gross. So,
it's good. It's high protein, low carb, zero sugar, and it tastes great. Who'd have thought?
and
I wouldn't have.
And you can get free shipping on a 4-pack using our link in the description box below. So we're gonna try all of these for you today in this variety pack. What do you wanna try first?
Fruity, because I
It's the
already
best
maybe
one.
know that it's my favorite
We've
one.
actually eaten all of them before because I told you I said I would not make this video unless we tried it. So we've tried them all. I agree, fruity is my favorite. The flavors are, in case you missed it, fruity, cocoa, blueberry, and frosted. The packaging is pretty cool looking.
And there are even games on the back. Do you remember when you're a kid and you're eating your cereal in the morning and you look at the back of the box and there are games on there?
They're also keto-friendly, gluten-free, grain-free, soy-free, wheat-free.
Naturally flavored, totally delicious.
Childlike cereal for grown-ups. Oh my gosh, it was meant to be. The thing that's the biggest problem with most cereals and
What is the thing that's the biggest problem with most cereals?
well, no, most like healthy cereals
Sorry.
is the sweetener.
Oh yeah, I know, it's awful.
Well, and the texture. I tried one that, oh my gosh, I couldn't even, it was like a rock. I couldn't even bite it. And then it was so disgusting. Like it was like,
we won't get into the bad
I can't remember what it
cereals
was
too
made.
much.
It was so disgusting. This texture, it's like light and crunchy. It's crisp, it's not soft.
So the texture is like a perfect cereal crisp and a crunch.
A perfect cereal crisp and a crunch. They're sold.
Yep.
You can taste that there is a sweetener, but it's not like the bitter.
Yeah, it's not
bite.
like stevia or something.
Yeah, and once you put the milk in it, I cannot taste the sweetener.
Yeah.
So if you want to snack on this dry, you might notice it a little bit, but with the milk, no. We should get some milk.
It's still good dry though.
It is really good dry. So the ingredients, you know, it's milk protein, so it's like a protein shake in your cereal, essentially.
It's like 80 grams of protein in a box.
Yeah, if you're gonna eat the whole box. But 11 grams of protein per serving. It's so crunchy. The sweetener taste is so much less in the milk. It's so crazy. The reason that it doesn't have the aftertaste problem that a lot of these cereals do is because it uses allulose. It's pretty much found in very small quantities in foods like raisins, figs, maple syrup, and it tastes like table sugar. So you don't end up with the bitter aftertaste. It's not a sugar alcohol, it's not sugar. It's not metabolized, but it's not going to increase your blood sugar or insulin. Not only is it like 1/10 of the calories of regular sugar, but it's also not gonna make you as hungry as fast.
Yeah, I mean, when I was eating it the first time I tried it, I was surprised how full I stayed and for how long.
Should we make the recipe?
I think we should. Let's get to it.
So for the recipe, what better recipe? So when I When it came time to think, so upon considering a possible recipe for,
Upon considering a possible recipe.
so when I decided to make this episode and I thought we should make a recipe, what better recipe to make than
Cereal treats.
cereal treats? Using cereal bars.
I love those things.
Yeah, I know you do. And I thought what you're gonna love even more, a healthy cereal bar, which we've made before. You use like, peanut butter or something like that instead of marshmallows to bind. Yep. Well, so much of what where I wanna move in this direction with the channel is about healing my relationship with food. And that's about balance. And so I was like, we can make these cereal treats just like the regular recipe with regular marshmallows and regular butter, and we are still gonna cut so much of the sugar out just by swapping the recipe, and we don't have to compromise anything else, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. So you know how to make it.
We're gonna start with some melted,
Go ahead.
We're gonna start by melting some butter here.
Melt that butter. Yum, 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 yum. Regular marshmallows. Butter's melted. You wanna get those marshmallows in?
Yep, how many of these you think?
The whole thing. Easy, right? So I'm thinking fruity cereal for this. What do you think?
Yep, that's the main one. I personally think that's my favorite one.
Yeah, I think so. I'm thinking let's do some fruity and some blueberry. So then it's like double fruit.
Yep. All right, so we're just gonna let these marshmallows melt up almost.
Should it be still mostly fruity?
Yes, that's to me my favorite one.
Yeah, I think so. So we've got blueberry fruity mix. This is like when we used to mix cereals together.
Yeah, we used to do that when we would do cereal night.
Cereal night, New York City.
We lived in New York. How often do you think we did that?
We would do it like once every couple weeks or so. This was when I first started the well, it wasn't Mind Over Munch, it was 100 Days of Clean Eating Instagram. Clean eating, and I'm eating cereal.
And we'd get one of those, we'd get the little boxes, the pack with all the little boxes.
This was like a treat for us because we had no money. So we'd go to the store, this was like a date night, and we would get like the set of little boxes of cereals, and we would each eat like, I don't know how many of them. All of them. Well, I mean, this was, again, not prime time relationship with food. But
it's okay.
I know, like I said,
even now,
when am I gonna be an adult that doesn't want to eat cereal?
I don't think ever. All right, this is ready.
Okay, 75%? Yep. Let's remove it from the heat. Cereal's going in.
Put it in.
It's not completely melted. Look at those lumps. You don't want lumps in your bars except for lumps of cereal.
Lumps of cereal.
Okay, ready?
Taking a bite. I love all these lumps.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Go, 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 go. Mix, mix, mix. Get it all coated.
What do you think I'm doing?
Do it, do it, do it.
What do you think I'm doing?
Go, 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 go. I think I'm gonna spray it just so that it's easier to come out.
Spray it down. Spray it down.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you gonna take?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. We gotta get this flattened out before it
cools. It sets.
It sets. Now this is the thing. We have made like I said, the peanut butter ones or almond butter ones where like you bind it with something healthier a couple times on the channel. They do actually work and they taste pretty good, but nothing beats like the real webby marshmallow. And look how quickly it's already setting. I mean, you're supposed to wait until they're cool so that you can cut them cleanly, which is the worst part, but it should only be like 30 minutes. Oh, great. All right, so I think it's ready to be cut. What do you think?
Cut it up!
Ooh, it's working.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
See that?
Delicious.
Marshmallow pull. Oh my gosh. Looks so good. Are you ready to taste? Are you ready to eat the pizza?
Stop.
Oh, it's so sad.
I know.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
It's a delicious cereal bar.
Yeah, it is. That's so good.
A 3-ingredient cereal treat. That's really good.
That's extremely good.
Just for fun, I calculated out the nutrition. And so one of these squares is about 90 calories. But what was really cool is comparing it to regular fruity cereal. You went from like less than 1 gram of protein, like 0.5 or 0.7 grams of protein to 4 grams of protein per bar, and you went from 11 grams of sugar in the regular to 7 in this. Because remember, we use regular marshmallows. right? So if you didn't use marshmallows and use peanut butter or whatever, yeah, you could lower the sugar even more. But my point was, it's not all or nothing. You don't have to like avoid all sugar. We can still lower our intake. I didn't compromise the integrity of this recipe or the quality of the taste. I kept the butter, I kept the marshmallows, but I lowered the sugar just by changing the cereal. And it's really good.
It's so good. I already finished mine, okay?
Is
that all right? Is that okay?
Have another.
Okay.
I mean, one thing I do want to talk about, because a lot of people with the healthy cereal, at least on Instagram, when I read the comments and the reviews and everything, people talk a lot about guilt. And I know, like, I've talked about guilt and guilt-free on the channel, and I want to get away from it because I don't want you to feel guilty eating any food, whether, you know, it's this cereal or any other cereal in any amount. I want to get away from guilt and food. I want us to instead make choices that serve our bodies and our minds. And sometimes that's healthy food and sometimes it's not. So overall,
I would say recommend.
Yeah, I would say I recommend too. I mean, it's not a vegetable, but does it do less nutritional damage and provide more quality nutrition than a regular sugar-filled cereal? Yes, absolutely. And it tastes good. It tastes good. If you are interested or curious, I do recommend checking out the website and the reviews on there, because people talk about what they like about it, and it might help you make the decision for yourself. If you decide to get it, use our link or the code MUNCH to get free shipping on the 4-pack variety.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
We will be back later this week, with a brand new video. And remember,
it's all a matter of mind over munch.
I'm sorry, you just can't beat the real marshmallows.
No, it's so good.
The real marshmallow is so much
gooey
better.
and delicious, but you don't even taste that there's sweetener or anything in there. Ooh, look at that.